What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. We have a couple different stock picks for you guys, so make sure to hit that like button and enjoy today's video. Alright guys, so as you know, we like to go straight to the point. So for today's first stock pick, it's Space. So if you don't know what Space is, it's owned by Richard Branson. He's the CEO of Virgin Galactic Airlines. And the plan of this company is actually disrupt the airline industry. And the way they want to do that is to create super speed commercial flights where you can go from California to New York in, let's say, 15 to 25 minutes, which is insane compared to how it is right now. They also have a plan to make it so people can fly out to space for a couple days in like the next 5 to 10 years, and that's definitely going to bring up their stock price. So about 8,000 people have deposited $1,000 to try this space travel thing, so I definitely think there's a huge demand for what he's doing.
So Richard Branson he's a big public figure, and he's out there in the media a lot, and he's actually really concerned about his shareholders and how he's portrayed in the media. Let's say Elon Musk, where he'll send out a tweet and then the stock price will tank. Richard Branson is the total opposite of that. He's always looking for new ways to make the stock price go up and to make the investors money in the long term. So another thing about Space is the CEO of ARK, Kathy Woods, is actually invested into it. She claims that it's going to be a $500 company one day per share, and it's actually trading at $24 right now. There's a major resistance up at $27, so if it breaks the resistance it's at right now, it'll go up to $27. And then if you're in a long term, it's definitely going to go up above its previous all-time high of $42. So that's a good one to look out for long term. Another stock pick for you guys is Draftkings. Draftkings is an online sports fantasy platform that is looking to integrate sports betting into its platform, so then you could bet on different sports and how far somebody will run or how many home runs somebody will bet. There's all different aspects of betting that you could get into. So it's going to be a huge market one day, and they actually have a major advantage over every other online sports fantasy platform because they are profitable consecutively over multiple quarters. They are very strong in their communities, and they have strong relationships with everybody that is involved with what they do.
So sports betting is expected to be a $70 billion industry. And the biggest thing is that it's a huge global market opportunity because sports betting is getting legalized all over the world and even in the States. So currently on November 19th, they're trading at $49, but their expected price is to be between $65 and $75. So next on the list is NEO, and they did great on their earnings report yesterday. They had a 146% increase from third quarter from 2019. And by fourth quarter 2020, they're planning on increasing vehicle deliveries by 100 to 106%. They're currently at the resistance at $48. And if they retest and continue to build support, they have potential to go into their next resistance at $55. If not, the best time to buy is around $40 to $45 in my opinion.
So another thing about NEO is they're increasing their vehicle sales and they're reducing their vehicle margins. So they're getting all the products to make the cars for cheaper, so that way they can sell it for more profit than they did last time. Currently, two of NEO's car models, the ES6 and the ES8, the ES6 being the top selling EV SUV in China for the last 13 months, and then the ES8 is actually the highest selling premium EV SUV. It doesn't say for how long, but they're number one in China as well. So another stock is F-Cell, Fuel Cell Energies, and they work on building fuel cells run by different gases such as hydrogen, propane, natural gas, food processing, and water treatment can all be used as energy to power these fuel cells. And they are actually the fuel cell designers, installers, and the manufacturer. And they build these big fuel cells, which is just essentially a giant battery, and they take it over to a factory, and it's ready to go right when they get there. So they just plug it in and you can turn it on and just power your whole factory with any of those fuels. So it's definitely going to change the way that electricity is provided for the industrial market.
So compared to similar companies, they don't seem too overvalued, so they have potential to keep growing without a massive sell-off. So currently they're trading around $5.25, I think, as of right now. And if you look at Plug and if you look at Bloom, they are honestly trading a lot higher than this one, and there's no difference between F-Cell and these other hydrogen-based companies.
Alrighty, and then just a quick little bonus for you guys, the Tesla update. Tesla actually broke its resistance of 460, that little range that it was in, and it got up to $500. So once it retests and establishes support around $500, there's no doubt in my mind and it's going to be at 540, breaking all-time highs by the end of the year.
Again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is our second video, and we actually changed our settings, so let us know what you think. We have a TV with like a background, so we're going to be changing it up and stuff like that. So let us know. We have a Discord below, so make sure to check that out. And we post videos every Monday and Thursday, so make sure to subscribe. And yeah, so have a great day, guys.